How to buy crypto from Binance Wallet. In today's video, guys, I want to show you how to buy USDT or Bitcoin on this particular video. So I will use USDT as an example to buy any coin you want to buy on P2P trading on Binance Wallet right away. If you are new to this channel, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get a notification when I release a new video on how to make money online. So now, let me just this is when you log into your Binance account, you will see something like this: deposits and P2P trading. You will now click on P2P trading right away. When you click on P2P trading, can you see this? We have many coins here. We have USDT, we have Bitcoin, BUSD, BNB, ETH, then NGN, Naira. So that is the list of the coin you can buy in Binance Wallet right away. So on this video right away, I just want to buy USDT on this particular video, and this video will guide you on how to buy all the coin, all the rest of the coin. Can you see? So, and when you log in, like, you will see this is the buy hard here. This is the buy, this is sell. Can you see? So I want to just buy. So I'll leave it like this. I just want to buy. I will just leave it like that right away. So you will see many other on this particular platform. Many people want to sell their coin. And this night the rate is too high, but I will just, because I want to use the coin right away. So I'm looking for buyer that I want to buy from him according to my own budgets right away. So I'm looking for a buyer. So let's say, okay, I'm looking for a buyer. I want to buy from him or her to know. Can you see? Okay, you have to just check it very well to look for a buyer you want to buy. So like this guy now, you want to buy. He has spent 180 and 80% of being selling cryptocurrency on this particular platform. Okay, it is another guy. He has traded 1,403 trade, and his system is 97.48. So let me just choose this guy. Okay, the guy, he doesn't have the coin I want to buy. This is another guy. Okay, this is another. So I've seen another guy. Let me just click on buy. When you click on buy, then let me just click on the amount of the sum I want to buy. 878. Okay, let me just click on buy now. Let me just go on the bank. Then you just check the bank here he was using. So let me just check the bank. Okay, Providence Bank. All these banks I can't. Let me just check the guy. So now I want to just pay to the guy. This is the account number. You have to just check the accounts. This is the account number he's using. He was using Providence Banks. So, and this is account number. This is the name. So I will just tick here to just copy the account number. I'll just click on copy. I'll now go to my bank to just pay and click on the. After I pay, I'll just click on release down here. So let me just go back to my bank to pay the money, right? So when paying, don't write anything on the something. Just write your name on the narration. Don't write anything, and just go ahead and pay. So now I've transferred the money to the guy. Let me just go and click on confirm. I've paid the money. Let me just go and click on I've paid. So now I'll just click here to just confirm the payment here. just click transferred. I've paid the money. Okay. So can you see? So the guy has released the coin. Let me just go and check. So can you see? So the order has your order has been received. The USD will be transferred to your. So let me just go and check my accounts. So I just want to check. Let me just check my P2P account now. Then I will now move the money to my something here. So I will just change this one to P2P. So let me just change it to P2P, to from P2P to spot wallet. Can you see it has changed? So let me just check here. I will find the USDT here. So this is the USDT. That's what I just buy now. Can you see? This is the USDT of 878 I buy. So let me just click on it. I will now move it to my spot wallet. I will just click on mass here. Can you see? I will now click on transfer down here. Can you see? Down here. So now, so can you see transfer? So the money is on my, can you see it there? The money is on my, can you see? I have 952 USDT now. So Binance is very secure to buy your coin. So I recommend you guys to just be buying here with easy to just purchase any coin you want to buy. So that's how to just purchase any cryptocurrency you want to buy on Binance Wallet with easy. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, share this video to your loved ones, and you will see the link to register on the Binance. You will see the link under this. Just register on Binance and let's start to be using this Binance wallet. Very easy and easy. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video. Bye for now.